Hello everyone, this is Lev again from TrueConf company here on ISE 2020. We bring here our new version of our room software, which is called TrueConf Room. This is a pure software solution which can be installed on any PC, Windows-based or Linux-based PCs. It has very nice ability to be controlled using your smartphone or any USB touch panel. For example, today on the show we are using the last generation of Lenovo ThinkCenter device, which has built-in screen which we can use to change layouts and manage the conference participants, control cameras, whatever we want to do. So this is a very nice interface which allows you to easily do many things and control the process of your conferences. The solution fully supports 4K video. It can be equipped with 4K cameras, of course, connected to 4K screens. It could be one or multiple screens connected to the device, so it is possible to distribute the layout you'd like to have across multiple screens. And again, this is a pure software solution which is free to download, free to try. So if you are interested in it, feel free to visit our website, trueconf.com, and select from the products menu the solution called TrueConf Room. Thank you.